Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is technology and its importance in information technology. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is technology and its importance in information technology? Technology refers to the collection of techniques, tools, methods, and processes that are used to achieve specific objectives or solve practical problems. In the context of information technology or IT, technology involves the application of computer systems, software, hardware, networks, and various digital tools to store, manipulate, transmit, and manage data and information. The importance of technology in information technology is immense and can be understood from several perspectives. Number one, efficiency and productivity. Technology automates tasks and processes, reducing the need for manual intervention and increasing efficiency. IT systems enable businesses and individuals to accomplish tasks faster and with fewer errors, ultimately boosting productivity. Number two, data management. Information technology enables the storage, retrieval, and management of vast amounts of data. This is crucial for organizations to make informed decisions, analyze trends, and gain insights from data-driven approaches. Number three, communication and collaboration. IT tools facilitate seamless communication and collaboration across geographical distances. Email, video conferencing, collaboration platforms, and social media networks have revolutionized how people interact and work together. Number four, innovation. Technology in IT is a driving force behind innovation. It enables the development of new software applications and solutions that address emerging needs and challenges. Number five, global connectivity. The internet and network technologies have transformed the world into a global village. People, businesses, and governments can connect, exchange information, and conduct transactions across borders in real time. 6. Automation. IT technology enables the automation of various tasks and processes, reducing the need for human intervention. This leads to increased accuracy, cost savings, and the ability to handle repetitive tasks more efficiently. Number 7, security and privacy. As digital interactions increase, the need for cybersecurity also rises. IT technology helps protect sensitive data, systems, and networks from cyber threats and ensures the privacy of users' information. Number 8, economic growth. The IT industry has become a major driver of economic growth. It creates jobs, fosters innovation, and contributes significantly to a country's GDP. Number 9, education and learning. Technology has transformed education through e-learning platforms, online courses, and digital resources, making learning accessibility to a wider audience and enable continuous skill development. 10. Healthcare and research. IT technology plays a vital role in medical research, diagnostics, patient record management, and the development of new medical treatments and procedures. Number 11, entertainment and media. The entertainment industry has been revolutionized by technology from streaming services to interactive media experiences. 12. Sustainability and environmental impact. IT solutions can contribute to sustainable practices by optimizing resource usage, monitoring environmental conditions, and facilitate eco-friendly initiatives. In essence, technology and information technology is the backbone of modern society, shaping how we live, work, communicate, and solve problems. Its importance lies in the ability to create efficiencies, enable innovation, and provide tools for managing the complexities of the digital age. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is technology and its importance in information technology. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.